Hello students, this is the next topic in module 1, that is load flow problem. First thing what we have to do is we have to take the complex power injected by the source. Okay, complex power injected by the source into the ith bus of the power system. So complex power injected, which is SI, is equal to Pi plus JQi. Okay, complex power injected into the ith bus. Okay, so it is Pi plus JQi, which is also equal to Vi into II conjugate, where I it can be it can be 1 bus or 2 bus, or it may be n number of buses. Okay, I varies from 1 to n. Okay, this is the complex power, but instead of denoting I conjugate, okay, it's comfortable to take I. Okay, instead of taking I conjugate, it's comfortable to take I. So taking conjugate, we get Vi conjugate into II conjugate. Conjugate cancels and it remains with Vi conjugate into II. Okay, when you take conjugate this side, here also we need to take conjugate. Okay, conjugate of this would be minus Pi minus JQi. So taking conjugate, it becomes Pi minus JQi is equal to Vi conjugate into II. Okay, take it as equation 1. But what is II? This is the current at ith bus. Okay, current at ith bus, II is equal to summation of Yik Vk. Okay, where k varies from 1 to n. Okay, Yik, summation of Yik Vk. Yik is the admittance. Okay, admittance of the line. Okay, and Vk is the voltage. Okay, next Pi JQi becomes, when you substitute this in equation 1, it becomes Vi conjugate, instead of II, okay, we need to take summation Yik Vk, where k varies from 1 to n. Okay, so where I varies from 1 to so on n. Okay, so Pi, okay, we have to take Pi separately and Qi separately. What is Pi? If SI is the complex power, Pi is the real power, Qi is the reactive power. Okay, so Pi, which is real power, okay, which is real of this Vi conjugate summation Yik into Vk. So we have to take real part outside, real of Vi conjugate summation Yik Vk. Okay, so take it as equation 2. Next, Qi, which is imaginary value, okay, or which is called real value, and this is reactive power. Okay, this is real power and this is reactive power. Qi, which is reactive power, okay, which will be Okay, minus jqi is there. So we have to take minus of imaginary value of vi conjugate k varies from 1 to n yik vk. Okay, take it as equation 3. Okay, these two are the equations. Okay, these two are the equations we have to consider. Here Vk is magnitude of Vk e power j delta k. Delta k is the voltage angle. This is the magnitude, voltage magnitude, and this is the voltage angle. Similarly, Vi, which is Vi e power j delta I. Okay, Vi is the voltage magnitude at ith bus and delta I is the voltage angle. Okay, and similarly Yik, which is magnitude of Yik e power j theta ik. This is magnitude and this is the angle. This is the admittance magnitude and this is the angle. So from equation 2 we got Pi is equal to, this is the real power, which is equal to real of Vi conjugate. Okay, so Vi conjugate, okay, anything if x is equal to x e power j theta, x conjugate which is equal to x e power minus j theta. Okay, similarly Vi conjugate, it becomes real of Vi, magnitude of Vi e power minus j delta I, and summation where k varies from 1 to n yik, which is magnitude of yik e power j theta ik, okay, and Vik, magnitude of Vik e power j delta k. Okay, and we want real part out of it. So taking Vi outside, okay, taking e power inside, okay, we get summation where k varies from 1 to n yik Vik e power minus j delta I e power j theta ik e power j delta k. Okay, so e power j theta into e power j delta, it would be e power j theta plus delta. So this equation becomes real, we have to take real out of it, Vi summation where k varies from 1 to n, magnitude of Yik, magnitude of Vik, okay, e power j will take outside theta ik plus delta k minus delta I. Okay, but we know that e power j theta, which is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. So here it becomes e power j theta ik plus delta k minus delta I, which becomes cos theta ik plus delta k minus delta I plus, because plus symbol is there here, okay, it is not negative, plus sin theta ik plus delta k minus delta I. So we want real out of it. So real of this, which is cos of theta ik plus delta k minus delta I. So Pi, which is equal to Vi summation where k varies from 1 to n, Yik it is Vk, here it is Vk, Vk cos of theta ik plus delta k minus delta I. Okay, this is the equation number 4. Equation number 4. Similarly, Qi, okay, this is minus of Vi, okay, we want imaginary value, correct? So it becomes summation k varies from 1 to n, Vk Yik, okay, it is sine of, correct? Okay, because it is we want imaginary value. The imaginary value here, it is sine of theta ik plus delta k minus delta I. Sine of theta ik plus delta k minus delta I. Take it as equation 5. This is the equation 5. Where equation 4 and equation 5 are called power flow equation. There are n real and n reactive power flow equations giving total of 2n power flow equation. At each bus there are 4 variables. Okay, we consider 4 variables. Those are Vi, magnitude of Vi, and angle of Vi, and Pi, that is real power, and reactive power, giving a total of 4n variables for n bus system. If at every bus 2 variables are specified, if any 2 variables are specified, remaining 2 variables at each bus can be found by solving equation 4 and equation 5. Thank you.